Hi friends, welcome to the accountancy class. Today in this module, we are going to learn about an important subsidiary book used in accounting, that is sales book. All credit sales of merchandise are recorded in the sales journal. Cash sales are recorded in the cash book. The format of the sales journal is similar to that of the purchase journal explained in the last module. The source document for recording entries in the sales journal are sales invoice or bills issued by the firm to the customers. Sales book records credit sales of goods only. It does not record cash sales of goods. Cash sales is recorded in the cash book. All the credit sales are not recorded in it. Credit sales of assets are also not recorded in the sales book. Goods means the articles in which the firm has been dealing. Goods are purchased for regular sales. Raw materials used in manufacture of the articles sold by the firm is also considered as goods. Articles produced, assembled, manufactured, or purchased for sales are all goods. Sales book is used to record all the credit sales of goods dealt with the trader in his business. Cash sales, cash and credit sales of assets are not entered in this book. The entries in the sales book are on the basis the invoice issued to the customers with the net amount of sales. This is the format of sales book. In this format, the date column of the sales book shows the date of credit sales. Particulars column contains the name of the party purchasing goods or the party to whom the goods have been sold. It also shows the details of goods as regards its quantity, specifications, and also the rate of trade discount allowed. LF column shows the page number of debtors account in the ledger. The details column bears the net amount payable by the individual customers. Date column is the first column of sales book. It records the date of actual credit sales. Invoice number is the statement sent by us to the customer containing details of goods sold and dispatched. Its number is mentioned in the sales book so that necessary information regarding sales may be obtained whenever required. Particulars column records the name and address of the person or parties from whom goods have been purchased. Names, types, size, number, quantities, and other specific features of the goods are also recorded. Ledger folio column records the ledger page number of the person or parties mentioned in the sales book so that posting in the concerned purchase account can be made. Amount column records the amount of different items purchased from single party and the total is transferred to the total column. The column will also record the amount of sales even if only one item has been sold and trade discount is allowed. This column is used for addition and subtraction. The last column is amount column. The amount column records the net total amount of sales to every party. Now we are going to solve one problem. Prepare a sales book. Then first transaction is sold goods to Mr. X for 600. The next credit sales of 10 units to Y for 35 per unit. Then sold 50 units to Z for 1350 and with a payment of 10% discount. Last one, Q bought units worth rupees 500 on credit. While preparing the journal or subsidiary book, first we want to draw the format, then enter the date on which the transaction took place under a date column, then enter the name of the party, then if there is any invoice number given in the problem, enter that invoice number under invoice column, then enter an amount. Then after entering all the transactions, find out the total. The total amount is the total of sales book. Thank you.